Hello, good evening friends. Today I got nothing to eat, so I'm just going to make pizza 7 minutes in my magic cooker. Okay, I hope you all will like this segment. Alright, okay, let's start. This one is my new beautiful cooker. Okay, it is very easy, and it has been helping me a lot. Most of the time it is very easy to dish up anything I like. Cake. Okay, I've done a lot of fast cooking. Okay, easy, clean, and it is very nice and healthy because we don't need much oil in this magic pot, right? Okay, so how are you all doing today? Great, right? Okay, morning you all did your exercise, so now I'm going to do pizza. Don't worry, it is not very fattening though because all the items are very light ones. So we are going to do pizza today. Wow. Okay, my children are waiting. One pizza I've already done and I ate half of it, and my son came and he finished half of it. So the other son came, he has no pizza, so I'm going to do my pizza again. Right? Okay, here we go. Very simple. You don't need to do your dough or anything like that. Okay, it's very hot. It's very hot. Okay, it's very hot. Okay, I'm in my dining area. I can put my cooker anywhere. This one is my dining area, so easy. Okay, so I'm going to do now. You all sit back and watch what I do. Okay, I'm going to take flour, plain flour. Okay, plain flour. Okay, plain flour. What is this? 1 cup. Okay, I'm going to put inside. All right, and then I'm going to put what is they've asked me to do is, okay, they asked me to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Okay, I put inside. Okay, that's it. This one is a very easy recipe. Okay, the toppings you can put whatever you like. So I'm going to use toppings is chicken chunks. I have crab meat. I have red capsicum, green capsicum, and yellow capsicum, and pineapple. Okay, my son said he don't want pineapple, so I'm going to eat those pineapples raw like that. Pineapple. Then I have mushrooms. So if you want to put anything else, will do, no problem. So I already put in my this one. I need to put a little bit of, where's the salt? Oh no. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of salt for the dough. Okay, I'll use a bit. Okay, no problem. Alright, so that's it. And yeast. Okay, yeast I put also 1 teaspoon yeast because you're doing the dough, right? So yeast. And that's all, my dear friends. And water, 3/4 cup of water. So first just stir the. I didn't on first. You no need to on first. We are just doing the dough part. Okay, then after that pour in your water. Yeah. So water. Okay. So I used 1 cup of flour and 3/4 cups of sun. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's the base. Wait, I show you all the base. Wait, let me stir the dough first. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay. I think I need something. Okay. Need a bit of water because be careful. The dough you must be like little bit. Okay. Yeah. Now it's better. Yes. Okay. Let me spread the dough. Then I'll show you what. Okay. So this is the base for the bread. Okay. Okay. That's about it. So what you do? You just have to. Okay. Cover it up. Cover the whole pot. Okay. Cover the whole pot with the dough. Okay. Yes. It's nice. See? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay. This is the base. Okay. Cannot see? Okay. That's it. That's the base. Very easy, right? Yes. That is why whenever my children ask me anything, I will do in this magic pot. So it's very easy. So what you do is, you already stir the flour inside, right? So you just level it up. Level it nicely. Okay. Now we are going to put all the ingredients. Okay. Up to you. Whatever ingredient you all want to put, up to you all. Okay. But today I'm going to make chicken and this. Okay. See, all done. Oh, very nice. Level up. Level it up. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now what we do? We put the sauce. I have the pizza sauce here. Yummy. Oh, that's nice. Put a little bit because just now I put too much. My son said, "Oh, too much." The sauce it went over. I was thinking do like the pizza guy. So they put a lot, right? But come to think about it, they also never put a lot, I think so. Hey, wow. Nice, man. See, I show you. I put little bit. I don't want to put so much. So my son will tell me, say, Amma, you put a lot of chili. Shall I put a bit more? Never mind, Don't tell him. Wow. I'm telling you all, you must cook with love. See, when I look at it only, I feel like eating. Okay. Alright. So, yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay, now we'll put chicken. Okay, I will put the chicken. Just now I did what? I cut the chicken until like this. Yeah. And then I'm going to put one here, one there. Just now I did. My son said he didn't get the chicken. I don't know why. Or did I cut very too small? Never mind. This time I'll cut until slices, no? Slice like that. This time I think he will like it. Okay. And it's very easy. So whatever items you have in your fridge, even late night, also you can do it. No need to order pizza from the pizza shop. Oh dear. After everybody will come after me, I say like that. Okay. Yes. I think put everything. The children will love it. Okay. I think enough. You know why? The whole thing is full. I leave it some. Okay, then I will have the okay. I will do what? I'll put the. What do we have? Okay, we have all these items. I'm going to put nicely. Maybe I can make one more pizza. I'll put a little bit. Yes. looking great. All the color, and then I have some crab sticks also. The children love crab sticks. So I'm going to put some, and I'm going to put capsicum. Beautiful color. So we can see the beautiful color. Yeah. And because we have some sausages, hot dog. Okay. I'll put little bit. I think I'll do one more for myself again, one more time. That will be good because these children loves pizza, and guys, especially boys, they love to eat a lot, right? So I'll save some for myself. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And the last portion will be the cheddar cheese. Yes. As I was telling y'all, I think I will keep some for me. Later I'll do again for myself. So pretty good, no? And it's very, very easy. Wow. I think I love myself because you know why? I found this cooker and it is very, very easy that I can do whatever I like. Yow! Fantastic, huh? Little bit more, okay? Yes. That's about it, guys. That's about it. Okay? Right. And now I where's my yeah. Okay. Oh, show you all. I hope it doesn't fall off, okay. Yes. Alright, and here we go. I'm going to put in the steam. Okay, steam function, and I'm going to put for 7 minutes. You see, every time I don't on the okay, here we go. Okay, done. 7 minutes done. Okay, yeah, 7 minutes because just now I started at 7 minutes, right? So this is automatic. Whatever function you use and whatever minutes you used previously, it will show you the same timing. So that is very good. Okay, so I use the steam function, steam now, and here it goes. After 7 minutes, I will show you all guys. Okay, and I'll show you my super duper pizza. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you all later. Okay, good. God bless you all. Bye.